Hey, it's Jade here, and I want to start with a question. What if your phone could do more than just send texts, browse the web, or scroll through endless social feeds? What if it became a tool for earning income? Imagine this: your phone buzzes, and it's not a notification about a group chat or a social media like. It's an alert telling you you've just earned money. That's not just an idea, it's a real system I've built, and I'm here to share it with you. With the right tools and steps, your phone can truly become your gateway to income streams. Whether it's affiliate earnings, faceless YouTube videos, or quick gigs, you already have everything you need to start. Welcome back to video 13 in the CashWave Strategy Vault. If you've been following along, you saw in Toolkit 6, the Mobile Earnings Starter Kit, how simple programs can lead to measurable success right from your phone. Today, we're taking it further. I'll show you the tools I personally use to save time, create content, reach larger audiences, and scale my efforts. This is about amplifying simple actions for big results. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, not only will you know which tools to use, but also how to use them to power your affiliate success. Everything I mention is linked below for easy access, so you can get started today. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about what you do, it's about how efficiently you do it. The right tools don't just save you time, they open the door to entirely new possibilities. Here are the tools I use every day to create, share, and scale my results. 1. CapCut, mobile. The first tool on my list is CapCut, and honestly, this app changed how I approach video content. Simple video editing. Whether I'm creating TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut handles everything, from trimming clips to adding captions and transitions. Most of my short-form content starts and ends in this app. Beginner-friendly. You don't have to be a video editor to get professional results. CapCut automates captions, transitions, and even filters to make your videos visually appealing without needing technical skills. Quick results. I can upload a raw clip, customize it, and export a finished product within minutes. I used it the other day to edit a demo video for Right App Reviews. The process: take a quick clip from my phone, add captions, tighten the edits, and bam, it was ready to post. That one video brought me multiple leads within hours. 2. Canva, mobile. When it comes to creating graphics or thumbnails, Canva Mobile is a non-negotiable part of my workflow. Polished designs without the stress. Whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, Fiverr gig banner, or Instagram story, Canva has templates for everything, accessible to everyone. I don't have a background in graphic design, and with Canva, I don't need one. Its drag-and-drop simplicity makes creating professional-looking content a breeze. Time-saving templates. Canva offers pre-designed layouts that are ready to go. I can tweak them for my needs in under 5 minutes. For example, when I first launched my Fiverr profile, I used Canva to create a gig banner. That simple design caught the attention of my first buyer, and that small $5 order eventually scaled to consistent orders, adding up to hundreds of dollars. 3. Repurpose.io. The third tool I recommend to anyone trying to maximize their efforts is Repurpose.io. Automated content distribution. When I post a video to TikTok, Repurpose.io automatically republishes it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. That means one piece of content instantly becomes 4, without me having to manually upload to each platform. Save time. While increasing reach, this tool multiplies your visibility without multiplying your workload. Perfect for scaling. The more places your content is seen, the faster you build an engaged audience that converts. With Repurpose's automation, a single 30-second video I created earned me traction on multiple platforms. Instead of stopping at TikTok, I use the same clip to generate new views and leads across Instagram and YouTube. 4. TubeMagic. Last but not least is TubeMagic, the ultimate script generator for faceless video creators. Time-efficient scripting. TubeMagic takes the hardest part of video creation and simplifies it. Input your topic, and it gives you a complete script in minutes. High-retention formats. These scripts are designed to keep your audience engaged, which leads to better results on YouTube and increased watch time. Mobile optimized, you don't need a computer for this. TubeMagic works perfectly on your phone. I started using TubeMagic to outline my faceless YouTube videos. What used to take me hours trying to brainstorm and organize now takes a fraction of the time. And because the structure it provides is so sharp, creating content that performs well has become easier than I thought possible. Once you've got the foundation in place with these tools, you might wonder, what's next? If you're ready to expand your efforts and scale your income, Tube Mastery by Matt Parr is an advanced program worth considering. Why it matters. Tube Mastery takes the strategies behind faceless YouTube channels and turns them into a step-by-step roadmap. From content creation to monetization, it's a complete blueprint. Many in the CashWave community, myself included, started with these mobile tools and then transitioned into fully fledged YouTube channels powered by Tube Mastery. When I first started working online, I barely had the tools or resources I needed. I had no laptop, no fancy cameras, and no technical expertise. What I did have was a phone and a willingness to try. That's where everything began. CapCut. Some of my earliest earnings came from simple review videos edited entirely in CapCut. Each video led to affiliate commissions, and with momentum, I added more tools. Canva. Using Canva, I created designs that stood out, whether it was for gig banners or thumbnail images. The clean, polished look got people to click. Repurpose.io. When I started posting shorts to TikTok, Repurpose.io became a time-saving lifesaver. It turned those clips into omnipresent content across platforms. TubeMagic. Scripting used to take me forever, but with TubeMagic, creating faceless YouTube content became streamlined. I didn't need to start big to see big results. Starting small with the right tools made it all possible. Don't just take it from me. Here's what others in our community are experiencing with these tools. Jenny F., Dallas, Texas. I began editing with CapCut and designing with Canva on my phone. Within weeks, my TikToks were gaining traction, and now I'm using TubeMagic to plan my channel. Troy C., Orlando, Florida. Repurpose.io gave me reach I never expected. It feels like I'm everywhere at once without additional work. Ali B., San Diego, California. Canva brought my Fiverr gigs to life. My first design sale led to repeat orders and more than $1,000 in earnings. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or if you're already using one, what success have you seen? Drop a comment below. I check everyone and would love to hear what's working for you. And if you're serious about getting started or stepping up your game, download Toolkit 6, Mobile Earnings, Starter Kit below. You'll get guides, checklists, and links to the tools I rely on daily. Some bonuses and upgrades are time-sensitive, so don't wait long to grab them. Next up, we're venturing into Toolkit 7, my $10,000 partner stack. That's where I'll show you how affiliate partnerships can create exponential income growth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.